However, history remembers me before I was a president. I shall always think of myself as a hunter.
For the Silver Train sequence, director Timur Bekmambetov created a heart-pounding battle, incorporating stunts, visual effects, and pyrotechnics.
What Timur does so well is an action-packed, full throttle, doesn't stop, amazing scenes.
It was a huge battle on this train. It's one of the biggest of the movie.
CG artists create 300 CG shots.
The train sequence is a silver train running across a burning trestle bridge. Pretty intense from a visual effects point of view.
To put it simply, 6 hours in the chair, get the makeup on, you put on your three-piece wool suit, you get on the top of a bouncing train car in a big green warehouse. The stunt guys rig up a dozen stunt fighters. They put a rubber axe in your hand, and it's very exciting.